Hi, I'm the editor of Canadian Woodworking and Home Improvement magazine, Rob Brown. Our June-July issue is about to hit mailboxes and newsstands everywhere, and it has a theme to it. This is our 13th annual Working in a Small Shop issue. This is where we share some great tips and inspiration on how you can work wood even though you have less space than you'd like. The basement is where most new woodworkers start to learn the craft of woodworking, and that's where we're shining the spotlight with our cover story this issue. David Bedrosian from Waterloo, Ontario, has possibly the most organized and efficient basement workshop in the country. In this issue, he shares a whole bunch of tips and ideas so you can make the most of your basement workshop. In addition to creating a great basement shop, we've got articles reviewing the pros and cons of 6 trigger clamps, how to use hand sanding to prep your next piece for a beautiful finish, give you a list of 11 adhesive tapes to have on hand in your shop, and talk about how you can work wood even if you don't have a shop space. We also have a feature on Jackie Chapman, a wood artist from Blue River, BC, who specializes in giving new life to salvaged wood through turning and carving. Read all of this and more in our June-July issue.